Okay, let's see here. So today we will learn about the invertible function. Okay, give the heading invertible function. Invertible function. Okay, let's see. As we already know about the function now, after that we learn about composition of function. Composition of function in name the meaning is already hidden, है ना? Composition means we have to compose the two different function, है ना? Suppose there is a function from A to B, the set A to B, and there is another function B to C. So when we will compose these two function, we have to find a function from A to C. Is it clear? है ना? So yeah, this thing we have learnt in the yesterday's class, है ना? Okay. So we learned that ki suppose A to B, there is a function which is known as f. Okay, and there is another function from B to C, the set B to C, which is known as let it be g, the function g. Okay, so the function A to C, it will be known as fog, है ना? Function of g. Okay, directly we will say fog. ठीक है, fog x. Okay, like this. ठीक है, is it clear? Now when we will reverse it, now we will reverse it, then we will get the invertible function. We can say that. Okay, we can say that ki we will see the function from the back side. Okay, or we will do the inverse of it. Okay, we will do the inverse of it, and this is known as the invertible function. Is it clear? Is it clear now? Now let's see the definition. What is said? It says that ki a function, suppose a function that is f, है ना, from x to y, the set x to y, okay, is defined to be, is defined to be invertible. Okay, invertible means the function is known as invertible function when, so if there exist, है ना, if there exist a function, okay, exist a function g, okay, it will exist from wait a minute. So there will be the function g, it will be such that y to x, okay, as till now we've learned the function from x to y, which we denote by f, but when we will take the function from y to x in a reverse way, okay, in a reverse way, that we will denote it by g. Okay, so that will be that type of function, okay, such that it will be gof, gof x. Okay, so gof x will be ix. Okay, gof x will be ix. Is it clear? And we can say that fog y, ठीक है, fog y equal to iy. Is it clear? Okay, clear. Then the function, g, which function? So g function, which is from y to x, as here, see here, I have written here na, the function g from y to x. Okay, we will also see the pictorial representation. Okay, first we understand the definition. Okay, then the function, which function, g function or f function? z function, है ना? Okay. हाँ, see here. So the function, which function? G function is called the inverse, है ना? Inverse of f. It will be called as the inverse of f and is denoted by is denoted by f minus 1, f in power or in head minus 1, it's mean f inverse है ना, it's mean f inverse. Is it clear?
Sir,
हाँ.
sir,
Hmm.
are you writing it now or what?
Yes, I am writing.
In in my screen, it's frozen.
Let me check.
Hello, sir.
Now you can see it now.
Yeah.
Okay. So did you understand कि there is a function f है ना, from x to y, from x to y, okay, and so if there exists a function y to x, okay, which we will denote it by z, so that z will be known as the inverse of f, okay, है ना, and it will be gof fx, which will be ix, and when we will take from x to y means fog y है ना, it will be iy. Now let's see here the pictorial representation, okay, that is कि suppose a set x है ना, we have a set x, okay, and there is a another set y, okay. So the elements, okay, the objects, the items which are in the set X, we will denoted it by X, okay, and the items, the objects which are in the set Y, we will denote it by Y, right? So when a function exists between set X and Y, we will denote it by F, okay. So here we can say that na कि when we will take fx, we will get y as its image, right? है ना, when we will put x, we will get y as a outcome, right? है ना, so fx is equal to y, right? है ना, चल लेते हैं इधर. And now we will take the set y, okay, सुजल ही कर दिया था उधर. When we will take the function from y to x, okay, so the elements of y are y and the elements of x are x, okay. So when the function from y to x, this will be the function g, okay, and in this way we can say that na कि when we will put gy, when we will put the element g, we will get the outcome as x, right? है ना, we will get the outcome as x. Is it clear? So here we can say that na कि gy is equal to x, right? We can say that. Now let's see here in the place of y, okay, as you can see here, what we can say कि where g is f inverse, where g is f inverse. Is it clear?
Yeah.
And we can say that also कि f inverse of y, f inverse of y will be x. To g we can write it f inverse, है ना, in the place of g I have written here f inverse y as it is and x as it is, okay. So here we will get f inverse of y is equal to x. Is it clear now?
Yeah.
Or we can say that कि f is invertible, okay. What we will say कि f is invertible, okay, invertible function. F is invertible when, so if f, the function f is 1 1 and onto, what type of function? 1 1 and onto. Is it clear now? Now try to understand the meaning of this one कि f is invertible when f is 1 1 or onto, okay. Now let's try to understand it. See here, this is the function f, right? And as we know that कि this when we will put fx, we will get y, right? So here when f will be 1 1 means suppose the set x has total 3 elements 1 2 3, and all three elements has its has their own image, है ना, in set y, right, in set y, right. Then we can say that now only ki f is one function, right. And
Yeah.
when y, the elements of y, all the elements of y has a pre-image in set x, है ना, has a pre-image in set x, right. Then we can say that na ki it is a onto function. It is a onto function, right. So when it will be a onto function, mean each element of set y will the image of in set x, right. So when you will see the relation or the function from y side, you will automatically get कि it will hold the one property from y, है ना. It will automatically get the, if you want to take the example, you can see here. Suppose x has some elements. What are the elements? Let it be 2, 3, 4. Okay, and y has the elements. Okay, and the relation is कि here 4, 9, 16, as 2 is related by 4, 3 is related by 9, and 4 is related by 16. How? So this will be the square, है ना, this will be the square. Okay, when you will put fx, you will get x square. When you will put 2, you will get 2 square, means 4, है ना, 2 2 ja 4. When you will put 3, you will get 3 square, means 9. When you will put 4, you will get 4 square, that is 16, right, है ना. So these are the two sets which holds a function f. Okay, and the relation or the function is fx equal to x square. Is it clear? Now as you can see, each element of x has an image in y, right. So here we can say that na ki f is one function, we can say it, right. Now let's see here. Each element of set y has a pre-image in set x, right. The pre-image of 4 is 2, the pre-image of 9 is 3, the pre-image of 16 is 4, right. We can say that na ki root under 4 equal to 2, root under 9 equal to 3, root under 16 equal to 4, right. So as you can see here ki each element of set y has a image in set x, right. So here f is also onto function, we can say it. Now as you can see here, this function f is one onto. It's mean this function can be invertible function. So to check the invertible function, now we have to check the relation or the function from y side, है ना. So now let's take from y side, from y to x. When we will go from y to x, now this will be our, हाँ yes, good, है ना. Now we are doing in a reverse way. Now suppose this y will become like this.
Like
This,
x is equal to root of x.
yeah, very good, है ना. Here 4, 9, 16, and here x will be 2, 3, and 4. Now this 4 is related to 2, this 9 is related to 3, and this 4 is related to x, and it will consist of function g, है ना. It will consist of function g. How? So gx gy, sorry, here the set y na, so all the elements are y, right, है ना, to understand it. So gy is equal to root under y, gy is equal to root under y. Now let's check here. G4, it's mean root under 4, which is 2, which belongs to x, set x. G9, which means root under 9, means 3, which belongs to x. G16, which means root under 16, which means 4, which is the element of x, right. Is it clear? Now let's see. All elements of y has an image in x, right. So we can say that na ki y is one function. Now we are checking in a inverse way, है ना. Now we are checking from the another side. Now as you can see here, each element of X has a image in set Y, has a pre-image in set Y, right? Or we can say that each element of X is a image of each element of Y, है ना? Or any element of Y, right? So here also Y is onto function, Y is onto function, right? So as you can see now this function G is f inverse. Is it clear na? So we can say that now in this one we will put in the place of G, we will put f inverse. So it's f inverse y will be root under y. Okay, this will be our inverse function for this set, okay, or for this function. Is it clear now?
Yeah.
So here I give the pictorial representation, and here I gave one of the example. If you want to note down the example, you can note down it. Okay, is it clear?
Okay.
So is there any doubt in invertible function?
No doubt, sir.
No. Did you understand now what is the invertible function? Now you can define
Yes,
invertible
sir.
function by yourself.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Now please note down it. Okay, one by one, please note down it. If there is any doubt, you can tell me. Okay, Akshay. So now we will solve a question, okay?
Hmm.
See here. First, you try, okay? It said that let a function R to R, okay? R to R means real number to real number, okay?
Numbers. Yeah.
Yes.
Means rational
And
numbers.
it is, sorry, rational number. Fx is equal to 2x plus 1, okay? 2x plus 1, and a function g again R to R, okay? Again R to R, that is gx equal to x square minus 2, okay? So here you have to uh, write down the formula, okay?
So
Formula.
I have to find if it's first I have to find
Wait,
if it's one
wait a
function
minute.
or
Now,
not.
first let me complete the question, okay? Please keep
Okay.
patience, okay? So,
Okay.
formula, the first one is for golf, second is fog, third is fof, and fourth one is gog, okay? So, for these, you have to find the formula. Now, tell me what is your doubt.
Like I do have to find one and I want to or what?
You
Uh,
have to just do golf, find golf, fob, and fof, okay?
okay.
You
Okay.
have
Got you.
already done. We have already done it in the previous class. See,
Yeah.
when we were doing composition of function, है ना?
Hmm.
We already find here. See, golf, है ना? In the last class we find golf, right?
Hmm.
So here you have to find golf. F. F means you have to take the function x and put it in
Function.
function gx and see that what will
Yeah.
be the result. Similarly, when you
Okay.
will do for fog, you have to take gx and put it in fx. Okay,
FX.
and you
Okay.
have to check the result. Similarly, you have to do fof and gog. So let's try
Okay.
this one and send me the photo. After that, I will explain it. Please do it.
Okay.
Yes, Akshat, very good, है ना? So all are correct. Now let's see here. Once I will explain it again, है ना? So that if there is any doubt, then it will be clear.
Okay.
Hmm. See, we will do for golf the first one, है ना?
Okay.
The first one, golf. Okay.
Hmm.
So here it will be geo
Master, can I go
function
get some
fx.
water?
Huh, sure, sure,
I'll come back.
sure. Please come.
Yeah.
Okay, see ya.
Hmm.
So we will do for golf, है ना? G of function fx, right? So
Okay.
it will be written as g function fx, right? है ना?
Hmm.
And g fx we can write it as fx, है ना?
Yeah.
Since fx is equal to 2x plus 1, right? So
Hmm.
in the place of fx we will write 2x plus 1, है ना? So it will be
Yeah.
g function of 2x plus 1, right? Now
Hmm.
it will be as a gx. See here, gx, है ना? Which is x square minus 2. So as here, since gx equal to x square minus 2, so in the
Hmm.
place of x we will put 2x plus 1, है ना? So it
Yeah.
will be 2x plus 1 whole square minus 2. Now apply here a minus a plus b का whole square. Okay, so a
Hmm.
plus b square whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab, right? So here
Hmm.
it will be 2x whole square plus square of 1, that is 1, plus 2ab. So it will be 2 into a means 2x into b means 1 minus 2. So it will be 4x square plus 1 plus 4x minus 2. Okay, when
Hmm.
you will solve it, you will get, wait a minute.
4x square plus
So we will
1x
get golf equal to 4x square plus 4x and minus 1,
minus 1.
है ना?
Yeah.
It will be minus 1. So here we will
Hmm.
write therefore golf equal to 4x square plus 4x minus 1,
Hmm.
and this will be our answer for first one, है ना? Now
Hmm.
for second, the second one in which we have to find uh, fog, है ना?
Yeah.
Fog, it will be f for gx, fog of gx, है ना? Function of gx,
Hmm.
that will be function of gx. Okay, as here,
Okay.
since gx is equal to x square minus x square, I think minus 2, है ना? X
Hmm.
square minus 2. Okay,
Okay.
so here in the place of gx we will write x square minus 2. Now here fx, see it is in the form of fx. So since
Hmm.
fx is equal to 2x plus 1, right? So
Hmm.
here in the place of x we will write x square minus 2. So it will be 2 into x square minus 2 plus, plus 1 and then
Hmm.
minus 2, right? This
Yeah.
acha, this is x na, so we have put it in x 2 and this is x.
Hmm.
This whole is x, this whole one is x. Okay, so here
Okay.
it will be not minus 2, है ना?
Hmm.
Hmm. मैंने रही क्लास कनेक्ट कर लेंगे हो जाएगा. So it will be ha. Okay, is it clear? Any doubt?
Yeah.
Now
No
multiply it.
doubts.
2 into x square, 2x square
Hmm.
minus 2 into 2, 4 plus
Hmm.
1, है ना? So it
Yeah.
will be, therefore we can say that कि fog is equal to 2x square minus 4 and plus 1, it will be minus 3, right?
-3. Yeah.
Minus 3 है ना. So this will be our answer. Okay, is it clear?
Okay.
This is
Yeah,
for
yeah.
mm, second one na. Now we have to do for third one. Okay,
Okay.
Okay.
see. So here we will write now for third. What we have to find in third? That is FOF, I think, है ना? Yes, FOF. FOF, which is function of fx, है ना? So this can be written as function of fx, right? And since as we know that ki fx is, it is given, what is it? 2x plus 1, right? So in the place of fx we will write 2x plus 1. Now let's see here, again it is in the form of fx, है ना? So again in the place of x we will write 2x plus 1. So here it will be 2x plus 1 and this one plus 1. Okay, so it will be 2 2 is 4x. Now 2 into 1 2 plus 1. So it will be, therefore we can say that f
It will
of
be 4
f
again.
x will be 4x plus 3,
Plus
right?
3.
है ना? This will be our answer. Is it clear or any doubt?
No doubt.
Okay, now let's see for the next one, है ना? Fourth one. Okay, now for fourth one, that is we have to find gog, है ना? Now we have to find gog. Okay, so gog, that is we can say that g of function gx, which can be written as g of function gx, and since it is given that ki gx is equal to, what is gx? So gx is x
GX
square
is
minus 2, है ना?
Yeah.
It is x square minus 2. Okay, so here in the place of gx we will write x square minus 2. So it will be g function of x square minus 2. Again it is in the form of gx. See, है ना? Suppose this is x, so in the place of x we have to write x square minus 2 to whole square minus 2. Okay, so here we will apply the formula of, which formula? A minus b whole square, है ना? So it will be a square plus b square minus 2ab, right?
2ab.
है ना? This is the formula. Okay, so here it
So
will be,
x to the power 4.
yes, x square to whole square minus 1 by 1 I am doing, है ना? 2 square minus 2 into
So
x
actually
square
-2 inside
to 2.
inside the
No, it is b, then minus 2 here. Okay,
no
so
like b
here
square will be like -2, right? Or
this is b na, and this is a. So here I am doing b square to 2 square. Okay, plus 2 2 ja 4
4
minus 2 2 ja 4x square minus 2. Okay,
-2.
now we have to arrange it. X to the power 4, here we can say that therefore gog equal to x to the power 4 minus 4x square, and here plus 4
Plus
minus 2,
2.
that will be plus
Plus
2,
2.
है ना? So this will be the answer. Is it
Okay.
clear
Yeah.
or any doubt? Tell me.
No doubt, sir.
So in the same way you have to solve in test or in exam.
Okay.
Is it clear now?
Yeah, clear.
Okay, you have already noted it now.
Yeah.
Okay, so for today that's all. Now this
Okay.
chapter has been completed. Okay, all the rest question you have to practice it from your book. Okay, and in the next class we will start the next chapter. Okay, but before that I will conduct a test, okay, of this chapter. So be ready for the test.
Okay.
है
So,
ना?
so Monday or Tuesday itself, I'll confirm if I'll take
हाँ, sure,
be able to take
sure.
30 minutes.
Okay, okay, sure. Thanks.
Yeah.
So for today, that's all.